We're done juicing for the day. We're going to show you how to clean up your machine at the end of the day. As you know or may not know, the machine is completely washed down, and so the boxes for the electrical are watertight. The only thing we ask is that you not high pressure spray directly on them. We are going to rinse on them, but we're not going to high pressure. So we have our hose here, and in your kitchen it may look a little different because you probably have like your kitchen hose with the sprayer on it. Use like a bristle brush if you like, or just, you know, little hand is fine, or even like a wash rag. We're just giving it a good rinse first, and then we're going to apply some PVW and wash her up so that she's ready to go for the next juicing adventure. Good to go. When we use PVW, we sell it in a 1 pound tub. This actually lasts a very long time because it's powder and you're going to mix it with water to create a solution. So in this case, we have a bottle here, pre-made, and you would just use it to spray your machine down. You can spray your plates, you can spray up in your shredder housing, on your cover. This is going to help release those tannins, so you're just going to spray it on your machine. The cool thing is you don't need to rinse it off. You can actually just leave it on there. If you decided that you needed to scrub it, that's when you can use like a Scotch-Brite or a rag, and you would then use that to like scrub it down. The cool thing is it's not toxic, so you can touch it with your hands. It's food safe, biodegradable. So there you go. Thanks.